These pups are gonna knock you over, and I mean literally. It seems dogs probably have a mind of their own when they pull and tug on their leash. Take a look and try not to laugh, because these are hilarious dogs on leash fails. Whoopsie. Ouch, that must have hurt. Look out, little one, 'cause here he comes. If you can't go over it, you gotta go around. Hitching a ride, are ya? Oh no, there he goes in the drink. Now this lady hasn't a clue on how to tie down her dog while she shops. Yep, no clue. Look out, little one. Here comes trouble, and it's not gonna work out for this little one. I think they both might need a little leash training. Come on, girl, let's get a move on. This is just too much work. Now that's how to roll and tumble, silly man. I guess someone thinks this is funny.
Okay, we're going. Come on. Kylie, come.
Kylie doesn't want to go anyway. Nope, not this way either.
You want to go this way? You want to go this way then? Yeah, you want to go this way instead? Yeah, there's not a doggy there. You want to go this way? Come on. Okay, make up your mind. Let's go. Kylie. Come on, yeah, it's a doggy there. I know. Okay, we're going.
Poor Kylie.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Charlie, they think you're their mommy. You're their daddy.
It looks like someone's going to need a bath. Yikes. It looks like this little Boston Terrier needs a sled. In the drink, they both go. Ouch, that must have hurt. It doesn't look like tennis is his sport. Now that must have caused some serious raspberries on the legs. Hope not moving. Nope, you can't make me. Another mud puppy. Yep, just passing through.
That's a good boy coming in. Oh my God!
Don't even talk to me.
Oh, you alright? Yeah. You alright? Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, yeah?
What the are you doing?
Oops, a little tuck and roll. Do you think this pup is a bit spoiled? Nope, not gonna get up. Nope, not gonna get up.
I can't believe it. He's
This
never
little
done
guy
that.
has some strong teeth. He's not letting go either.
Silly dog.
I know this trick,
No,
and
it's
just
a
watch
dog.
me get away.
Oh no! Come here, give me. Come here. Oh my! Look at
This doesn't look good. I bet she has a skinned knee. Ouch!
Bella, you have to pee. You're not going anywhere.
And away we go.
Sorry. Ow. Is there ice?
Oh! Oh!
Hey, it's just sleep. Come on.
Watch that first step, it's an icy one.
Stay. Get it, get it, get it, get it!
He just wants your attention. Look out.
Deep. 0. Oh. Oh, are you okay? Are you alright?
Pull me downstairs.
We're going to go run around the garden, okay?
First mistake is taking Monchago off his leash, and there he goes.
Take it! Manchego! 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 Manchego!
Okay, who's walking who? Here. This little doxy is having a rough time staying afloat.
That's no grass. So then it go on it. Let's go. Sal, it's not grass. Sal!
Yeah. Oh. Is it cold?
You might need a new pair of Crocs here.
And a new pair of shorts and a t-shirt. Oh no. Yeah.
Yeah, you sure do have inappropriate footwear.
Oops.
Well, he almost got the ball.
Don't go too far.
So, dogs will always be dogs. And if they love going on walks, you just never know who's gonna be walking whom. You can bet they'll probably win out on the leash walking. We adore our furry friends and want the very best for them, no matter what they do. Their silly ways never fail to make us smile. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more tail-wagging fun.